Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this Clickbank affiliate marketing tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can promote Clickbank products with viral social media traffic. You can make $50-60 per day just working 40 minutes. And I will show you how you can generate traffic using Tumblr. Don't worry, you don't need to share any videos, no images, even no message marketing involved. I will show you a new system to generate traffic from Tumblr, and you can easily promote Clickbank product and make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. So guys, if you are a newbie and if you're really struggling to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing, then complete this tutorial and follow all the steps. After completing this tutorial, if you really enjoy this method, then like this video. If you have any questions, then comment in the comment box without any hesitation. Now let me introduce myself first. I am Raju Bhadra. I am an affiliate marketer. Over 10 years I am working here. And if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities here. And especially if you want to make $2,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by CPA marketing, then check my video description and check my real life case study, CPA and affiliate marketing mastermind. You can learn how I make over $60,000 in 2021 2022, and the huge discounted price is running. You see here 48% discount. And what you will learn inside my training program, you can promote Clickbank's ABC Warrior Class products with free and paid traffic. You can promote CPA Grip CPA offers with free and paid traffic. The most importantly, you will get 800 buyer email list from my own list based on affiliate marketing. I hope you never be disappointed to join my personal training program. A lot of money making opportunities, traffic opportunities you will get inside my training area. So guys, if you're really interested, then check into my video description. Okay, now I will show you how you can promote Clickbank product and make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing using social media traffic. Okay, at first you have to create your Clickbank account. If you already have Clickbank account, then fine. Then I suggest you to build a landing page to promote your Clickbank. Then you can safely promote your Clickbank products. Finally, you have to create content, no image, no video, no message marketing, no commenting. You have to create email, you have to create content, and you have to share content. Inside your content, you can promote easily Clickbank product and make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. And I will show you everything right now in this tutorial. So guys, don't miss any important part of this tutorial, and don't forget to like this video, comment this video, and share this video for other people. And don't forget to check my real life case study inside my video description. Okay, at first you have to create your Clickbank account. If you already have Clickbank account, then fine. After that, you have to log in into your Clickbank account, and you have to visit the Clickbank Marketplace. Okay, you will get all the categories here, all categories here. You see here all categories. Now search here weight loss, the most popular niche. Okay, you see here all the weight loss program, weight loss products. Now you can choose any of the product from here, but I recommend you to check gravity score. That means how much affiliate like you, like me, promote this product. You see here all the products gravity score. You see here every information here, but mainly focused on the gravity score. Okay, now I want to promote this product. Just open the product sales page. You see here this product sales page, and you have to create a landing page based on this sales page. Okay, and you see here, click the promote button to get your affiliate link. Just create here pop link. You see here it's your affiliate link. You have to promote this link, but before this you have to build a landing page. For this, go to systemy.io. Okay, create your free account on systemy.io. After that, you have to build this type of landing page. You see here I just added a text and images and text, and finally I added a button. And you can create your you can build your landing page using this systemy.io, prg.cloud, then
You can use a site Google to create your landing page. Inside my video description, I will put a tutorial, my tutorial how you can create a landing page within 20 minutes for affiliate marketing. You can check it in my video description. Okay. By this way, you can build your landing page. You see here all the elements. You see here, if you want to add any text, then you see here the text. If you want to add any images, then you can add the images. If you want to add any videos, then add the videos here. If you wish, you can add button. Then you see here, it's the button. You can simply drag and drop here. Okay, now you have to add your affiliate link. Just go here, just copy this link. Now select this button, and the top of this page you see here, open URL. Then paste your affiliate link here. Simply then click the save changes. Okay, now you can preview your landing page. You see here, it's your landing page. Okay, and you have to promote this landing page by creating content. Okay, now you have to create content about weight loss. Okay, how you can create content? I know you don't have any idea about weight loss, but you have to create content. For this, go here, this free plrplr.com. You see here, this the plrplr.com. You see here a lot of plr articles here, Now visit this category. You see here all the categories. Now visit this category, weight loss. Okay, you see here all the weight loss content here. Now you can choose any of the content from here. Now I want to choose this content, burning fat versus burning calories. Okay, just open this content. Okay, you see here burning fat versus burning calories. You see this the content. Okay, now you have to create an image. Simply create an image. Then finally I will show you how you can share your content on Tumblr to get huge traffic. Okay, but before this, don't forget to check my real life case study. You see here CPA and affiliate marketing mastermind, over 7 hours tutorial. You see here, and the massive discounted is running. It's 48%. You can check it. After that, if you think it's perfect, then you can take action and you will get always live support from me. Okay, now visit canva.com to create your image. Just simply create your design. Okay, it can be any resolution. It doesn't matter. Just create a simple image like this. Okay, burning fat versus burning calories. Just simply create this type of image. Okay, after that you have to share your content on Tumblr. Okay, now go to Tumblr and you have to create your account first on Tumblr. Okay, then you see here, it's the Tumblr dashboard. You see here, this is my Tumblr profile. You see here. Now click this text. You have to write text. No photos, no quotes, no link, no chat, no audio, no video. Okay. Click here, text. Then put your title here. Simply put using this title, the same title. It doesn't matter. It's a PLR article, mind it. So no copyright issues here. Okay, then you can add this image. Okay, just click here. Okay, then copy your article. Just simply copy and paste. Simply copy and paste. Okay, simply copy and paste. And inside your article you have to add your call to action, and you can add call to action here. You see here this 21st day rapid weight loss program. Okay, I want to copy this. Check out 21st day rapid weight loss program here. Okay, I want to add two call to action. Okay, now copy your landing page link. I don't recommend you to promote direct affiliate link. Okay, if you can build a landing page and if you can promote your landing page link, then always you can market safely with your traffic with various traffic platform. Okay, for this reason I suggest always, I recommend always to build a landing page and share the landing page link. Okay, just I want to bold it, then set the landing page affiliate landing page link here. The most important part is hashtag. You see here, you have to put your hashtag right now. It's the most important part to get viral. Okay, weight loss, weight loss tips. You will get suggestion, weight loss products, weight loss program, then fat burn. That's it. Okay, at first you have to put your title. Just copy this title from here. Then you can add images here, then copy and paste all the article, and inside the article just simply put one or two call to action. Finally, the most important part, add the hashtags, then make post. Okay, now reload it, and you see here this is my post. That's it. So guys, if you can follow this new system, no message marketing, no commenting, no video sharing, no image sharing, make content, helpful content, and get traffic, and inside your content you can easily promote your Clickbank product and make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now let's check the traffic stat of Tumblr. You see here over 254 million people visit per month this site. So guys, use traffic sources. So guys, if you really enjoy this new system, then like this video. If you have any questions, then comment in the comment box without any hesitation. And if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. I hope you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to check my real life case study, how to make money with affiliate marketing and CPA marketing with paid traffic, free traffic, everything you will get inside my training area. So guys, thanks for watching. God bless you.